Hi everyone. Today, I know I'm just starting on this alerts, but for today we got a red flag warning. I mean, this is taking effect tomorrow, but we got red flag warning and wind advisory. Red flag. I'll show you. I'm sorry, but I'll show you right here. I'll show you right here. I'll show you right here. Okay. It says urgent. What? Okay. For weather messages and issue is critical fair weather conditions expected Monday afternoon and evening across western portion of central Minnesota. South winds will increase to 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 to 50 miles per hour on Monday afternoon, then shift to the west and diminish some Monday evening. Now basically we're talking like that's pretty strong winds. Also the wind advisory is probably strong too. Oh well, I'll talk about that too, but I'm gonna talk about this first. It says and I will copy and paste copy and paste all this into the description, which is relative humidities will drop to between 20 and 25% across western Minnesota by afternoon. A dry line may precede the cold front by a couple hours in the late afternoon during that time. RH rally, that's what no urge. I'll figure out eventually. But basically I'm gonna copy and paste on the description and it says RH values cold drop further into the trees across from western Minnesota. Humidities will improve shortly Monday evening. Shortly Monday evening, but winds will remain gusty through the night. Okay, so basically we're talking like red flag warning. I mean, you gotta be careful. Like, if you didn't get campfire, like forest fires, wildfires, or anything. Here's another one in the Grand Forks, like that, but we won't cover them. There's a lot of them out west, like down south. I'll copy paste all this stuff for you guys. Actually, I can't, cause this one in Grand Forks. I'm not gonna. I could do one customer. I'm trying to read which one. There's one Grand Forks. I'm gonna let you read that. You can pause it here if you want to read it. I'm going slowly, so you can catch some of it. So if you want to read that, you got pause the video. Urgent. Here, other message. And plus, you can see the counties are in, but they're kind of don't. Yes, but I'll show you right here. This county right here. I'll show you the counties over there, but I'll go back up. Well, yeah, basically, I'm not gonna do much. I'm gonna go back to the flag where in Minnesota is right over here. It starts from here and it goes all over here. Here's now see the black line, which is gray line. This is the wind advisory. It's not all the special weather here. It has a wind advisory, a special weather statement layer 2. That's the only here for the cases. What message national to the transmitting that it is also taking effect tomorrow. It says there's a county right here. I'll put them all onto the description here. So you can read the situation of the county. And also, or you can read it in here. It's sort of okay. That's right. Basically, this is I'm under this one. I gotta worry about it. So we're talking about wind advisory in effect from noon to 9 p.m. on Central Daylight Time Monday. That's what CDT means, Central Daylight Time. That's what it's called. Current daylight time now is like today March 2021. It's also 8:02, 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is what that's basically what to expect. That's basically what it says right there. W word. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 50 miles per hour expected. So if you like, it doesn't mean like strong winds. Make sure you're not in. Make sure make sure any loose items you have. Make sure all the loose items like stuff like that. Make sure you have inside or something like that. Fly, like it's not like flying debris, but like anything bad. This is rare. Portions of northwest and west central Wisconsin and central, east central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Minnesota. It says when from noon to 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. Impact says gusty winds. Here's the most important. Here's the most important thing. Here's two most important. This is one. I'll read this too, and this is also the most important. Sorry guys, but I just have a little bit of a cough of allergies or something like that. But I will also put it in the description. Otherwise it says impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. So you might have a few power outages, guys. So if you have power, don't be scared. This is really prepared for tomorrow. Basically, see, it also says, it's right here, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Unsecured object means if you have anything that can come loose, like unsecured objects, okay, unsecured objects. Sorry, guys, I'm having trouble with unsecured objects. So if you have anything that's loose or anything that's not unsecured, like nothing heavy, like light, like I'm sure could. Like a shirt or a piece of paper or anything that is really late, like could be a hat too. Or when garbage, make sure to put it in a secure place so it won't be blown away. Or here's this thing right here. You might I don't know what it says, but I don't know. I don't know what it means. Maybe there was a what's that noise? I tried to play it. Sorry, God, I just hearing some weird noise. But it says, go back to this thing. That's probably just something else. But it says, use extra precautions. Yeah, it's just a plane. I see it's launching live real loud, but it says, use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. So basically, it says secure objects. Here it says secure outdoor objects. That's what you do. Secure them. I put it in a secure place. That's secure them. Otherwise, you can just take them inside and bring them inside, so you can do that. And here's the one talking like 40 to 50 over here, and the basic roads, counties, and so forth. I'm not gonna read all of them. I ain't gonna get to that. And I'm not gonna start later. Later I'll do, but I'm gonna talk over is what I was for Minnesota. You a couple of and I can do that if you want to do that. It was also mugs for kids. First I had mugs for kids. I didn't want, but I'm gonna because of my. I'm just gonna put I'm just gonna put this link right here, like this thing. I'm just gonna copy his link and put in the description. So I will put these weather story. I'll put this in the description and look around. I'm not gonna do anything about it. Here's the radar. I'm not gonna do anything. There's these two over here, but basically. Just make sure to stay safe out there. Follow the instructions. Otherwise, bye. This is going for this is very signing off.